Every city has an iconic neighborhood, one where everybody wants to be. And in Phoenix, Arcadia is that neighborhood. And this home is a sexy twist on the modern farmhouse. I introduce to you the Napa House. Located at the end of a private cul-de-sac with sweeping views of Camelback Mountain, this breathtaking home on a half-acre lot instantly grabs your attention and then never lets go. It's dramatic yet beautiful. I mean, look at the pops of black in the front. And you enter the home through this really unique front entry and step into the grand living room with vaulted ceilings that show the exposed trusses and this massive pass-through firebox that leads to the dining room. Plenty of room for hosting and wine. The awe-inspiring kitchen is my favorite part of the home. You've got these beautiful black and white marble counters, top-of-the-line integrated appliances, white brick as a backsplash, and the coolest part, a hidden butler's pantry which has these super cool unlacquered open shelving. And the design of the home is truly timeless. It's expansive yet homey, organic yet modern. Most of the home is adorned in this beautiful white oak planks, and the attention to detail in the woodwork is astounding. And while most developers play it safe while designing a home like this, here they took chances. The unique lighting choices, the shiplap-clad walls, and the whimsical game room that features a pass-through window to the backyard, integrated tile flooring which wraps up the wall, and these red permanent bar stools. And we can't forget about the master bedroom. I mean, imagine waking up each morning to this view, and then getting ready for your day in this bathroom, and then getting dressed in that closet. Come on! And on top of all that, you've got this luxurious backyard with every amenity you could possibly want. Sit around the fire pit with your loved ones, dip your toes in the pool, or take a swing in the detached pool house. No matter what you do, it's a treat. So if you want to experience a little bit of Napa right here in the Valley of the Sun, a home truly like no other, then I invite you to call me Mike Delina with North&Co, and I'll show you 4715 North Dromedary Road in Phoenix. I know you'll love it.